आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखने वाले हैं कॉमन वर्सेस एडवांस वोकैब। हमारा पहला वर्ड है वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, एक्सेप्शनल, फिनोमिनल, एक्सेप्शनल, फिनोमिनल। एग्जाम्पल, हर परफॉर्मेंस वाज एक्सेप्शनल। वेरी बैड, atrocious, dreadful, atrocious, dreadful. The weather was atrocious, the weather was atrocious. Smart, brilliant, ingenious, brilliant, ingenious. He is ingenious person. Hardworking, diligent, industrious, diligent, industrious. She is diligent in her studies. Careful, meticulous, vigilant, meticulous, vigilant. He is meticulous about details. Practical, pragmatic, realistic, pragmatic, realistic. We need a pragmatic solution. Clear, explicit, obvious. The instructions were obvious. Confusing, ambiguous, perplexing, ambiguous, perplexing. His answers was ambiguous. His answers was ambiguous. Short-lived, ephemeral, fleeting, ephemeral, fleeting. Fame can be ephemeral. Everywhere, omnipresent. God is omnipresent. Versatile, flexible, adaptable, flexible, adaptable. Python is a flexible language. Python is a flexible language. Calm, composed, serene. She remained composed. She remained composed. Brave, courageous, intrepid, courageous, intrepid. The soldier was courageous. Rich, affluent, affluent, wealthy. They are an affluent family. Poor, deprived, helpless, deprived, helpless. The NGO helps deprived children. Important, crucial, paramount, crucial, paramount. Time management is crucial. Deep, profound, intense, profound, intense. The speech has a profound effect. Improve, enhance, upgrade, enhance, upgrade. Reading books enhance knowledge. Reading books enhances knowledge. Reduce, alleviate, alleviate, mitigate, mitigate. Medicine can alleviate pain. Medicine can alleviate pain. Make worse, make worse, exacerbate, complicate. Stress can complicate the problems. Stress can complicate the problems. Explain, elucidate, illustrate. The teacher illustrated the topic. Show, demonstrate, exhibit. The chart demonstrates growth. The chart demonstrates growth. Big, massive. They built a massive building. They built a massive building. Small, minute, tiny. Minute, tiny. There was a minute crack. Famous, eminent. Famous, eminent. She is an eminent singer. She is an eminent singer. Honest, sincere, sincere, truthful. He gave a sincere apology. He gave a sincere apology. Lucky, fortunate, lucky, fortunate. She was fortunate to win. Dangerous, hazardous, hazardous. This chemical is hazardous. Weak, fragile, feeble, fragile, feeble. The glass is fragile. Strong, robust, powerful. They built a powerful system. They built a powerful system. Happy, jubilant, delighted. jubilant, delighted. She felt jubilant after the results. She felt jubilant after the results. Sad, melancholy, gloomy. Melancholy, gloomy. He looked melancholy all day. Angry, furious, enraged. Furious, enraged. She was furious about the mistake. Tired, exhausted. Tired, exhausted. After work, he felt exhausted. Beautiful, exquisite, gorgeous. The palace had exquisite designs. Ugly, unattractive. The building looked unattractive. Fast, swift, rapid. Swift, rapid. The tiger made a swift move. The tiger made a swift move. Slow, sluggish, sluggish. Traffic was sluggish today. Traffic was sluggish today. Funny, hilarious, amusing. Hilarious, amusing. The movie was hilarious. The movie was hilarious. Fear, dread, terror. Dread, terror. She felt dread before the exam. She felt dread before the exam. Sadness, despair, sorrow. Despair, sorrow. Failure filled him with despair. Kind, compassionate. Kind, compassionate. He is compassionate about his work. Cruel, ruthless, brutal. Ruthless, brutal. The ruler was ruthless. The ruler was ruthless. Lazy, lazy. Indolent, lethargic. Indolent, lethargic. The indolent boy avoided work. The indolent boy avoided work. Noisy, deafening. The crowd was noisy. Quiet, tranquil. Tranquil. The lake looked serene at sunset. The lake looked serene at sunset.